morning, everybody, from the Queen Sawapa Snake Farm. I am here in Bangkok on a solo mission. I figure I would give you guys a look at this place. I've done one video for the channel in the past, but I haven't been here in a while. So I'm going to do my best to film kind of what's going on in here. Beautiful place, has changed a lot over the years. And that's about it. Let's check it out, you guys. Snake Farm, Bangkok. So the snake extraction demonstration is over. There is a lot more to this place than meets the eye. It is a snake park. It is an exhibit, very educational. If you like snakes, come and check it out. If you don't like snakes, but you want to get educated on them, especially species that occur here in Southeast Asia, I highly recommend that you come out here and make a visit. Now, in the early 1900s, the prince at that time, he lost his daughter to rabies infection. So in 1922, the Queen Sawapa Memorial Institute was established, and it started as a means to study and get a vaccine for rabies. In 1923, it expanded into snake research for antivenom. Now, currently, in today's day and age, this place is producing 200,000 vials of antivenom per year. Now that's quite significant, especially for you venomous keepers out there. You should, part of your protocol should keep antivenom on hand. The shelf life is actually rather short with antivenom. So this place is producing a lot. So if you're keeping Southeast Asian hots, this place is probably kind of important to your protocol, your collection and that. And there are other places producing antivenom in the world, but that antivenom is not specific to the snakes that occur in this region. So it's a very important place, and there's a lot going on. They actually have a horse farm that I believe is off-site where they do all of their venom production. They're still doing studies on rabies and tuberculosis and just a lot of different stuff's going on here. It's quite extensive, lots of research in that. It's a laboratory, the whole thing. So we are hanging out, you guys. We have another hour to go until they do the actual snake show. That should be a lot of fun. They're going to pull out some king cobras and whatnot. I'm not sure what kind of video I'm allowed to take, but I will be sure and show you guys whatever I'm allowed to show you. Okay, let's go.
It is a king cobra. King cobra is the longest venomous snake of the world. When fully grown, this snake can attain the length of 3 to 5 meters. The longest king cobra used to be found in the world was found in Malaysia. When it's alive, that snake acts in the length of 5.7 meters, and it has won the title of the longest venomous snake of the world until the present day.
Okay, you guys, that's going to do it here from the snake farm in Bangkok. If you are here and you want to come check this place out, just grab any taxi, tell them Snake Farm, or if you're adventurous like me, get yourself a motorbike taxi. With little luck, you'll get here safely. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.